In this video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode on Binance. To get started, locate the Binance app on your mobile device and open it. Ensure that you are logged into your account so that you can access all settings seamlessly. Once you're inside the app, tap on the icon at the top left corner of your screen. In this menu, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now that you are in settings, tap on Theme. Upon tapping Theme, you'll be presented with three options, including Light Mode and Dark Mode. To enable Dark Mode, simply select Dark. And just like that, your app interface will transform into Dark Mode. Using Dark Mode has numerous benefits. It helps reduce glare from bright screens in low-light environments, and can even save battery life on devices with OLED screens. Many users report feeling less fatigued after switching to dark themes for prolonged periods. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.